Good morning, guys. My name's Trevor. Welcome back to the Vette channel. I know it's been kind of a minute since I've actually been on camera, like visually. So the reason why, we'll get into that. Anyhow, man, I got something in my eye right now. Today it snowed. It didn't snow very much. It's more like a frosting, I guess. I don't know what you call it. Anyhow, I wanted to come out and give you guys a little update about life real quick and wish you guys a great weekend because, you know, today's going to be Friday. It's Thursday right now, but I'm going to upload this for my Friday. And I know my videos this week have been a little sporadic. They haven't been... I like to get them out in the mornings because when I was working, it was great to be able to go to my YouTube app and check out all the channels I'm subscribed to, add their latest videos, and then just listen to them throughout the day. And honestly, for me, that was awesome. That's a pretty sick Camaro. That's not a Camaro. Oh, God, the Firebird guys would hate me right now.
To have done it.
We have 3 people.
Yep.
3
people on.
Oh. Cowboy dance.
I swear it looked like a Camaro way back there. And then I got close and I seen the bird. And I knew. It's our little secret. Anyways, so I had a surgery done, and the surgery that I got done, I don't want to say what it is because it's not very like kid friendly or family friendly, but I'm just gonna say that I'm doing well and recovering is coming along great, and I will no longer have to worry about a accidental pregnancy or having another baby by accident or anything like of that nature. Not gonna have to worry about it now. Just to clear your thoughts in your minds, I'm not even seeing anybody right now, so that is the best way to prevent those kind of things from happening. But just to be safe, you gotta, I feel like I'm protecting myself from the craziness of this world that we live in, because if you guys aren't aware, there's some sneaky people out there, and they'll do some... Sorry, got a phone call. Never fails. So anyways, in today's world that we live in, people do some scary things to get you on a hook to make money for themselves. And sadly, having a baby is one of those things that some girls do. I'm not gonna call them women, because they're not women. Some girls do that, and it's sad. It's pathetic. So, in order to protect myself, and knowing that if I had another kid, I couldn't support another kid, because, we're sitting here struggling right now. I spent my last paycheck on rent because I was not able to get any help with my rent due to, I can't really say, but let's just say there's some things that you need to apply for assistance with your rent and utilities and other bills, and I don't have those things because I haven't been provided them, and I've kind of lost hope in getting those things. So you can imagine that it's pretty stressful, but there's something I seen the other day, thanks to the Corvette kid, John, one of my great friends now. He shared this thing, and it says, stress is caused by you trying to do it by yourself. Peace comes from giving it to God. And so that's what we're doing. That's what I've been doing. And it's incredible. Because I can't tell you guys how I've made it this far this year. Honestly, I don't know. Because the numbers don't add up. The math doesn't work out. Maybe it works out to the math of the election or something like that. Go ahead, hit them, drop those hate comments. It's a joke. So, yeah, anyways, it is what it is, and to protect myself, my family, my boys, I went and got this surgery done, and honestly, even if I had to pay for the full price out of pocket and find a way to make those payments, I would have still done it because it was just under $1,000 to get done. Luckily, my insurance from work, my past employer, was still covered 80% of that, so I got a $200 bill. And luckily, I had an HSA card, which is a health savings account, and boom, put that, paid it, done. Yay! Now, another thing that hopefully I will be getting soon is my 401k. This is not financial advice. Do not do this. I can't stress it enough. Do not do this. Unless you're in a position like I am, where your 401k is literally the only thing you have left. Yeah. It is the only thing I have left because my 401k is worth more than my Corvette right now at this moment. I couldn't get $2,000 out of that Corvette. You want to know why? Because I'm an honest man, and I'm going to tell the buyer, like, look, the transmission is trash. That's going to cost you $4,500 to get fixed. The car's valued anywhere from 8 to 12. The motor needs freshened up. It's 187,000 miles on an LS1 motor, guys. It's pretty epic. It definitely needs a harmonic balancer, as you guys have seen in previous videos. Those run from about $500 and up. Yeah, you could go with a cheap one, like what's on there right now, like the OEM one. But guess what? You're gonna have the same problem. So go for that upgraded one that is $500 some odd dollars. And that's what I'll be doing. So then again, the value of my car just continues to decline. And then if we get into the interior and the inside of the car, well, I don't know how much is there that needs, like, cost-wise, but I'm gonna put like $1,000 on it because the center console, the center console lid, the whole radio piece, those pieces alone are probably $1,000. And then if you want to get into some more, we could say the chairs scoot back and forth, which is not good, so it needs new chairs. That's easily another $1,000. And well, shall I continue? Yeah, let's do it. All right. So the Target top. If I was to sell it, somebody would be like, yo, this Target top's trash. What the heck? And I'd be like, well, you know what? One day, right here on this road, I yeeted it. So Target tops can be pretty pricey. Unless you find the right deal, you might be able to get one for about $700. But most of the time, $1,200 to $1,500. So again, remind me how selling my Corvette would help me. Oh wait. Right. Yeah, it's not going to. So it's paid off. It's not going anywhere. That's my rant about the Corvette. Because I continue to get, why don't you sell the Corvette? Why don't you sell the Corvette? This is why. That's why. My 401k is worth more. So, sorry, future. The present needs you. But honestly, here's the thing. I feel like I have a much higher calling than worrying about retirement, than even thinking I'm gonna make it to retirement. And what I mean is not that I'm not gonna live to retirement age, but that I'm gonna need to work at retirement age. That I'm gonna. I feel like I will still be working at retirement age. I don't know why. I do. I don't see myself retiring, and I really don't see myself working for somebody during that retirement, if that makes sense. So I think you guys get what I'm getting at here. Having the surgery is protecting yourself, and if you guys would like some more info on it, maybe I could do something. Oh, hey, is this snowing again? Maybe it's just wind off the trees. We can go into more detail. Honestly, one of the easiest surgeries I've had. Went in, out in about 30 minutes, and you're awake the whole time. Honestly, didn't even. You feel a little bit, but it's not bad at all. And the pain afterwards, as long as you're able to rest that first day, and rest, not do anything, just lay down, ice it up, you're good. That second day, the pain's a little bit worse, but let me tell you, that third day, man, I'm feeling great. But I'm gonna rest. I'm still gonna rest, and I'm gonna go lay down, ice up, and hopefully tomorrow will be the day. So, if you guys enjoyed this video, smash that thumbs up button. Wait a second. Click that red subscribe button. I don't got any red in here today. And click that little bell notification. That way you're notified when we upload, because I'll admit, sometimes if my uploads are going up at 7 a.m., I'm a little preoccupied getting the boys ready for school. Heck, I might even be sleeping because it might be Sunday. Just kidding, those uploads come later in the day anyways. So, I guess that's all for now. And we will catch you guys on Sunday. Maybe I'll have a story. Maybe we'll just do something else. I'm not too sure yet. But I hope you all have a wonderful weekend, and we will catch you guys Sunday. Peace. Cheese and crackers down in the comments.